I'm making sure Lindsay's in this one. Because last week I started it when you left. And I was like,
This is gonna be your only.
it was like you driving away far in the distance. I was like, there's Lindsay. Anyway, Lindsay is here. Jarrett's joining us again. Dan, Roland, Nikki, Mal. Actually, it's identical group except for Austin had to work, right?
Yeah, skip Roland.
I didn't skip Roland. I would never skip Roland. In fact, Roland, no.
He's only hiding from the fact I'm a bad person who says embarrassing things about Steven.
I'm so mad. I'm gonna have to edit that out. And I don't know what I'm gonna replace it with, but something.
Cut to us all laughing and be like,
I'm also a bad person who is bad and is not good and creates additional work when it doesn't need to exist.
just put slow jazz music over this entire conversation.
Go put the light, buddy. Go put the light. This is not going to happen, is it? Well, at least I attempted to help you. By the way, hello everyone, and welcome to Wednesday. Why can I never remember what day it is on days that we do Lunch Bunch? What? How can I
remember what day it is all the time?
I know. I'm bad about it. Kepler has had this very. It's an issue, and I feel bad, but it's a cute issue. He's had a cute issue for a few days where he has had to sneeze. He's had to sneeze. I know he's had to sneeze. And he'll be in my lap, and sometimes he'll get this look like he gets squinty and goes. And you can tell he's trying to sneeze, and he'll like lick his nose and. And I'm like, you can do it, buddy. You can do it. And then he just doesn't sneeze. And I'm like, that must be terrible. So I've been trying to get him to look at the light. I don't know if that works on cats like it does humans. I assume it would, but I don't know like what the reasoning behind all that is. But I assume it works the same. It probably works the same, right, bud? Maybe? I don't know. I haven't seen him sneeze since he started doing this. And it's been like, I think 3 different nights that I've noticed it, and I'm like, I feel bad. I want this stupid cat to sneeze. Sneeze, buddy. But he must not be too bothered by it. I just know whenever I have to sneeze, I look up at the light, and it just triggers the sneeze immediately. So I figured trying to get his attention and do that would work, but not yet. This is in stark contrast to Sagan, who has sneezed in my face, in my mouth, like multiple times.
He does it because he loves you.
I don't think that's why he does it, Mel. I don't know what it is, but I'll hold him and he'll sneeze, and like sometimes I don't catch that he's gonna do it. He'll be like upside down in my arms, like asleep, and I'll be like, hey buddy, how's it going? And he'll go and just all over my face, and I'll be like, oh good, love you too.
I don't think he's done that to me.
Really? I mean, I hold the cats a little bit more than you.
Yeah.
I've had more opportunities to get cat sneeze in my mouth. But, yeah, he's cute. He's cute. It comes with the territory, I suppose. Anyway, we have both been working really, really hard to try and get stuff done. Dan, also, who I praised yesterday. And things are looking pretty good. As of this time, right now, I have content done through next Saturday. Like not this Saturday, but like next Saturday. And that's really good. And like those videos are like done, exported. They just have to be uploaded and scheduled, which is probably going to be nearly an all-day affair in and of itself, but that stuff's done. So the reason I'm doing all of that is because, once again, we have friends visiting on Friday, and you might be saying, Steven, who is it? I'll tell you. It's Alex and Haley, which is exciting. It's also kind of funny because the next video that comes out on the old timeline is also Alex and Haley, and I didn't plan it like that at all, but there's a good chance that you'll get a video from the old timeline soon and the new timeline, and you'll basically have Alex and Haley in both timelines. Didn't plan it like that, but that's just the way it worked out, I suppose. But yeah, they're going to be joining us for one to, we haven't seen them in a while, and it'll be fun to see them. Last time we saw them was January. But then the other reason is we're going to be continuing our Let's Play of Cat World, or Super Mario 3D World, if you like official titles. It's a game that we did a fairly complete Let's Play of a year and a half, 2 years ago. And we did like the main game, but there's a bunch of bonus stuff that we wanted to show off. We didn't have time to when they were here, so now they're coming back and we're going to take care of it. So that's who is coming. That's why they're coming. It should be a fun time. Now, there's a extra little tidbit related to that is kind of an important detail, but I'm going to be talking about that tomorrow. That is going to be the subject of tomorrow's vlog, provided I don't break anything. Of course, if I break something, it'll probably really be the subject of tomorrow's vlog, so you have to tune in tomorrow, make sure you don't miss that. But I'll be talking about that tomorrow. In the meantime, we're just continuing to work hard, getting everything wrapped up, because we want to be able to enjoy ourselves while they're here. I'm going to continue to try and keep vlogs current, but I want that to be the only thing I have to worry about while they're here. So that's why I'm going ham on Stephen Plays right now and trying to make sure it's all set. So things are working, and that's good. Anyway, that is going to be it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Do not miss tomorrow's video. And also, preemptively wish me luck. I should be fine. I have some level of experience in doing what I'm going to be doing tomorrow. But I haven't done it in a while, and I've never done it for this particular thing. Any guesses? You guys can guess. It's related to why Alex and Haley are coming, so maybe that'll help. Let's meet back tomorrow, shall we?